that are expected from this particular meeting as well. So those pictures, live pictures coming in from the Rashtrapati Bhavan of that formal part of the ceremonial welcome that we are looking at, where Prime Minister Modi is there to receive President Putin. Remember, the two leaders share a huge amount of bonhomie. They also, of course, share, Prime Minister going to the airport to receive President Putin itself is a huge gesture on his part. President Putin then getting into the same vehicle and traveling with Prime Minister Modi to his residence, where they had an over 3-hour meeting over dinner. And this is, of course, very, very crucial given the kind of stature that we're looking at of the two leaders, globally speaking, and also the unique relationship that India and Russia share, with cooperation in various areas, from defense to trade, and even, of course, more recently, oil purchases, which have become a hugely controversial issue as well, with pressure coming in from the United States on this aspect. Let's quickly take this across to our reporters who are joining us. We have Mohit also with us. Karishma also joins us. Karishma, has President Putin left from the ITC Moria? Of course, that entire road of the Sardar Patel Marg turning into a virtual garrison with a huge security deployment in place for the Russian president. Take us through what is happening over there, Karishma. All right, losing that line with Karishma. Let me quickly take that question across to Mohit. But Mohit, what's happening at the Sardar Patel Marg? You've been at the ITC Moria since morning. What really are you seeing around you? Massive security deployment, yes, as far as President Putin's movement is concerned.
Well, Madhav, I'll show you the visuals around over here. The traffic has completely come to an halt, given the fact that the route is in place. And shortly from now, President Putin would be leaving from ITC Moria, and he will be directly going to President House, where a ceremonial guard of honor will take place. And post that, he will be going to Rajghat. And after that, there are bilaterals that are being planned with Prime Minister Narendra Modi at Hyderabad House. But look at these visuals over here. As Delhi Police has been saying since yesterday, from 9 to 12, there will be traffic restrictions over here in central Delhi, and you can see that how the traffic has been completely stopped over here. One lane which goes from ITC Moria towards President House, Rashtrapati Bhavan, that has been completely cordoned off. On the other lane, we have the traffic over there. The Delhi Police have completely secured this particular area. Hundreds and hundreds of the security personnel are here, and shortly from now, we'll try to get those visuals of President Putin's convoy, which will lead from that particular gate, where you can see the cars being parked over here, there, and the road has been completely blocked. And this is a very, very important visit of President Putin. There are various things that are expected to come out of this particular visit of President Putin, which is a short visit. And what exactly will come out of the bilateral between the Prime Minister?
What is on the agenda as far as this visit of Russian President Vladimir Putin is concerned in just a bit, Mohit, but stay on with us.